my lovelies, welcome to day 14 of Vlogust and Mediterranean Lifestyle Month. I'm just exploring my garden and checking out all of the things that I've been growing. It's beautiful out right now, but it's supposed to get heavy thunderstorms later this afternoon, but you know, the weather changes on the weather report from hour to hour, so who knows, it might stay like this all day. It's very hot and humid, and the sky is just so blue right now. Oh, can you see? Oops, going in the wrong direction. That I can't even imagine that it's supposed to be stormy later, but we'll see. Today I think we haven't been eating enough fish, and of course the Mediterranean diet involves a lot of fish. So I think we're gonna try to buy some fish for dinner and just make fish baked in a packet and maybe some roasted vegetables in the oven. And I don't know, we'll see if we'll add anything to that. Oh, here comes some shade. Easier to film in the shade, that's for sure. So I hope it'll be an interesting, very healthy Mediterranean food day, and come along for the journey. Just checking over my plants. My lavender's hanging in there. Usually doesn't bloom this late into the season. Tomatoes are looking a little worse for wear, but they're growing again. We're getting another crop. It's so fun to grow your own tomatoes. And check this out. I took a cherry pepper the other day and I took the seeds out and I planted them. Look at it, they're going crazy. Might have my own crop of cherry peppers. And we planted some new cucumbers. This will be our second crop of cucumbers. Well, here I've mixed together an avocado and some tomato cut up with just a little bit of salt and a little bit of olive oil, and we're going to eat it on some rosemary bread that we bought at the bakery. I put this bread in the toaster for a minute, and the rosemary got so fragrant. For a little after breakfast treat, I have a banana here that I'm sprinkling on a little bit of flaxseed. We're on our way to the farm market, the one that has the dollar table. I like to go there when we know we're making vegetables that day because the stuff is ready to use. I mean, it's good stuff, it's just ready to use, like you don't want to keep it around for a long time. So we're gonna go check there and see what kind of vegetables we can get, and then whatever we can't find, we're gonna go to the supermarket after. Get a huge haul at the farm. I'll show it to you all when I get home, but it was only $19. That's what I love about going to the farm. Remember I said it's going to rain? Look at that sky. I guess it is going to rain. Look at it, it's clear there. Not clear there. Whenever I go to the supermarket, it rains. Just as I'm about to get out of the car. Okay, well we ran in and got some flounder in the rain, and now the sun's out. 5 minutes later. See here we have a bunch of vegetables on the table. We're going to chop them up. We're going to put them in a roasting pan. We're going to broil them just for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to prepare the fish, and we're going to put them back in the oven again with the fish and bake it for about 20 minutes or so. So here we have some asparagus, some small potatoes, some red onion circles, baby carrots, red pepper, radish, broccoli, and some eggplant. Baby carrot snack. Here are the vegetables, all in a roasting pan with some salt, some olive oil, and some Cento Italian dried herb blend. we have some flounder, and we did the same thing to the fish with a little salt, a little olive oil, and a little of the Italian herb blend. And we've covered it in foil to make it a little packet for when it goes in the oven. Thank you for joining me today on our little adventures around southern New Jersey in good weather and bad. I hope you enjoyed today's meals, and please join me tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye.